let's see how to use the undo and redo with shortcut keys in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's say that we have this document right here, for example, this block of text. Now, let's say that this block of text was a mistake and we want to delete this block of text. So we want to return our document to the way it was before this text right here. And so to do that, we can undo our last action. And you can see the undo button right here at the top. Now, when you click on that, that should automatically revert your document to its state before it. Now, to redo that action, or if you want that action to be done again, simply click on the icon beside it, which says redo. And just like that, it is now back to how it was. And an even faster way to do this using shortcut keys is by simply using Control Z to undo the action and Control Y to redo the action. And so to undo, I will simply press Control Z on my keyboard. And as you can see, it was now back to its previous state. And when I click on Control Y, it is now back to the state it was before we made changes. And that is how you can use the undo and redo with shortcut keys in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.